Thank you for calling Emotiva Audio. This is Brent. How can I help you?
Emotiva means emotion or emotional in Italian. And when I started Emotiva, I was talking with a friend of mine. I said, I want to start a company that brings back the excitement, the passion, the gut reaction to great music and movies and cinema. And I want to bring that and translate that experience to the average user at home. My favorite thing about Emotiva is the team we've built and the people and the culture and my interaction with not only my team on a day-to-day basis, but then with our customers. That is by far the best part of the business is the interaction with people. When Emotiva started, we had one simple goal: to build high-performance products, high-quality products at prices that people could afford and enjoy. I'm really excited about the future for Emotiva. I think we're just hitting our stride as a brand, and I think you're going to be very impressed by what we offer. We're really excited to have our customers come on this journey with us, and we hope to keep making you happy and surprising you and helping you enjoy the wonderful world of music and cinema.